Hello and welcome to this lecture where we will install Python and Jupyter Notebook. And we are going to use this throughout the course. So let us start with any further ado. We will be installing Python 3.6.1. Let us go to google.com and in the search bar type Python 3.6.1 and follow the first link. Scroll down to Windows x86-64 executable installer and click the link. This will download the setup file for Python 3.6.1. As the file is downloaded, install the executable setup file by clicking on it and now click on Add Python 3.6 to Path. This will automatically add Python to the default environment variable. Click the Install Now and proceed with the installation. Wait for the installation to finish. Then open Command Prompt and type Python to verify if Python has been successfully added to the environment library or not. And that is great.